Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through how to customize a report that includes both header and line items in a single CSV file. In this format, the header information comes first, based on the order number, and the line items follow right after. The importing system will then automatically match the data to the correct orders. This structured setup is a common format for importing into many ERP and CRM systems. Here is how the finished report should look. First, the header information, followed by the line items. Let's get started. First, create a new report and select Orders as the report type. Then, rename the tab to Order Headers. This tab will contain the general order information for each order. Next, select all the fields you need for your header. Make sure you only include header-specific fields, like order number and customer name. Delete any columns you don't need. Then, create the custom column and name it Line Identifier. Set its value to Header and place it as the first column. It's also important to hide the header row, so go to the Rows tab and click Hide Header Row. Now, create a second tab and name it Order Lines. This tab will contain all the line item details. Select all the necessary line item fields for your report, such as product name, quantity, and price, and delete any columns you don't need. Make sure to include order number so the system can link the headers and line items together. Again, create a custom column called Line Identifier. Set its value to Line and place it as first column. Hide the header row for this tab too. With all columns ready, let's apply the settings. Click on Export Mode and change lines to Fill. Click Apply, then change the file type to CSV. Click Preview to check the results. You should see each order's header row immediately followed by its line items. If everything looks good, give your report a clear name, like Orders with Lines, then save and run it. And that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.